It's the new daily. Bro. You know me, dude. When this thing's running, I drive it all the time.
That thing's your new daily now, man.
What are you burning over here? Burning off some trash?
All that whole tree that was there? A bunch of wood, man.
Are you just slowly burning it off?
Look how much wood is in there, bro. It's probably gonna take an hour to turn it off.
Dude, we could cook some dinner on that.
Yeah, that's
wrap up some burgers in tin foil, toss them on there.
I don't know about that.
I used to do that when I was a Boy Scout.
With Cooper?
Yeah, with Cooper. Man, I miss this thing, dude.
I know, me too.
They're out to sea.
You forget about it until like you start to work on it again. You know? It's like
to
the side.
We literally could have done that at any point.
Yeah.
Just took a day to knock it out.
Well, she's up now.
Yep, she's going. I'm not gonna rip on it hard.
Don't be racing.
I just do little baby pulls every now and then.
It's just so funny how.
Yeah, I was so tempted last night with all the cars.
I saw that vet pull next to you. I'm like, oh man, he's not gonna be able to not race him.
Hey, I fought my temptations.
A little bit. You still opened it up.
I had to show him what's up.
Yeah, no one expects it when you're like next to it. It's like all quiet and you hit the button and it's like.
And they're like, what the hell is that?
That's my favorite part. It's like the ultimate sleeper.
What's going on, guys? Back over at the shop. I got here really late because I've been busy running errands in the Rousey all day and I was editing last night's video, but just got here and we filmed some stuff a couple days ago, but I'm just gonna go ahead and explain what we did. Got Pedro over here still working away. We started on the bathroom a couple days ago and started hanging up some drywall in here. We're waiting for the electric water heater to come in before we start drywalling this section because we need to see how big it's going to be and what we need to do to fit it. We're also thinking about moving some of these pipes and we need to just get them behind the drywall. Right now, you know, they'd be in front. We need to redo the fittings and get everything to be inside the wall. And then Pedro's going to make us a shower. We also went to Home Depot and picked up a little like cabinet thing with a sink countertop that's going to be going right here. We still have to pick out a faucet and stuff like that, but we do have that. We're going to have to cut some of it out to fit around that pipe, but I'm not sure where that's at. That's the top for it though. Oh, it's right over here. We have it flipped upside down right now. This is going to be our little cabinet for the sink. We have to modify it a little bit for that pipe like I just said, so we're working on that. And also we were in the process of putting some new brakes on Wago. A couple days ago I got some new pads and rotors for this thing. If you guys remember, this side was completely locked up, and when we took the old rotor off from this side, the inside of it is really beat up. The pad went through all of its material and it was just metal on metal grinding on the inside of the rotor right there, which locked this up pretty good. So we got that guy off there and we got a new rotor on this side, and the other side is already done with a new rotor and pads. But this side, we're actually waiting on a new caliper. It's right here. I guess these were so worn down that the piston overextended itself out of the caliper, and we tried to compress it like with a C-clamp, but it would not budge at all. I'm not sure if there's a trick to get them to compress back together. I ended up just ordering a new one. These things are only $30 if you bring the core, and this one's all nasty and covered in brake fluid anyways, so I just went ahead and got a new one for Wago. I just have to wait a few days for that to come in since they're on back order right now, but once we get that new caliper in, this side will be ready to be put back together, and I'm just going to work on getting Wago rolling again, and I really do want to start doing a turbo kit on this thing soon. We also need to get the drive shaft hooked up and just get it all up and going, but she's coming along.
So where are we going to put the shower heads at, bro? Over the top. We'll put one where it's at, and then we're gonna go up.
Bro, that's too much. That's VIP right there.
Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna want to get out the damn bathroom.
Oh shit. That way you get.
Let's just turn it into a steam room.
That way you get all that grease off of you.
2 shower heads.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
I want to be able to try it out.
You gonna let us know if it works?
Oh yeah. I'll let you know.
Do we need to get a, what is it, the bidet?
For the toilet? I've never felt one, and I heard they're weird.
And you know how I like my showers? I take an hour-long shower every day.
This whole thing turned into a studio.
We're gonna be upstairs in the living room. It's just gonna get all steamy up there.
Like my sister said, she says, I know when you've been in there already. The outside.
Oh, the outside of the door starts to sweat.
Like, what the fuck? I'm like, man, that's my massage. That shower.
We need a jet tub. We can't fit it.
Yeah.
We can dream though.
Dang, we leave for like 10 minutes and look at him.
Shower.
Already framing up the shower. This thing's gonna be sick. You wanna test it out?
It's a pretty good size.
There's enough room in here, dog.
And Emilio asked to make one for 2 people.
Oh, I see, I see.
Hey, dog, you never know. You gotta have room, bro. I'm like 2 people, so there's a lot of room in here.
It's a pretty size. It's a pretty nice size shower.
That's like a perfect.
So is this gonna be like a step right here?
Yeah, this is gonna be the step. And then what I'll be doing is I'm gonna put a shower pan, and the shower pan comes up to here, and then I'll flap over this, and then I'll be putting Durock over that. Once the Durock is done, then I'll be putting up the quick set, and then I'll end up making the shower myself.
Nice.
So,
It's gonna be sweet.
We're gonna go all the way up to the top with the tile, except the roof. We're not gonna touch the roof, and then we're gonna do the shower on the bottom, and then we'll tile that. Depending on what tile you want to pick.
You gonna do like a big door or?
Get like a glass door.
It's up to you guys. I mean, if you want to put the glass door, or you want to put, I mean, a bar and a
Curtain.
Yeah.
So
We'll figure it out.
Up to you. You know, I made it big enough to where we could put a door. You know, it'll open up, or just.
It'd be kind of nice to have like a sliding glass door right there.
Yeah, that would be dope.
Yeah. So
I'd be fine with a curtain either way though.
either way.
Well, we find a nice door, we'll do it.
The door usually goes off after where we're done anyway, so I mean,
Time for
once the
that.
tile's done and everything, then we'll set up for the door.
And then he made sure to leave enough room right over here for the electric water heater that we're still waiting on. And we're gonna have to redo some plumbing. I already talked about that, but
Yeah.
it's gonna be sweet.
Can't wait, dude. It's almost there. Shoot, another 4 days, though. I'm gonna be taking a shower in here.
It's all you. So wanna walk on some coals?
That's you, dude. You said you could do it.
Hell no.
Yeah, bro.
I vote Pedro.
Bro, it burns right here. Imagine like.
That's hot. You're going for it? Pedro's gonna jump the embers. Oh! I thought you were gonna jump it.
I wasn't gonna jump in.
Oh, he ran through it, dude.
Damn.
That was sketchy. My luck, I get you a nail through the foot.
And it'd be a red hot nail.
I mean, I barely fucking went over it like that.
Yo, he pretty much just walked it.
Huh?
I wouldn't even sprint it, just like walk fast.
Oh my God, you're crazy. That's hot, dude. Well, it's not your last. It's not gonna burn your shoes. Oh, your pants! Your pants! Just kidding, bro. 50 gallon, bro. Enough water to wank it, he says.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
Of course, there's room.
Whoa.
Dang.
Water for days, bud.
I'm coming in here to take a shower, bro. You know how I had it up, hot water.
Nice. Since we've been burning all this wood and making this fire our day, we decided to put it to good use.
It was Emilio's idea.
Say that, man.
Look at that.
Yeah. So my burger is all the way inside there. It's almost ready. 3 more minutes.
Yeah, we're inviting some buddies over. Got a couple Ronos.
Bro, that's like best idea though, putting them in the foil paper and digging them in there, dude.
That in Boy Scouts.
I don't know. I think Cooper knows that trick too.
We probably would. It's looking good.
Got it all closed down.
Is this that like concrete stuff or cement stuff?
That's That's the Dura. That way the tile will go on that instead of drywall.
And then you're gonna put this stuff all the way around inside of here.
Yeah, it's gonna be all the way around, and then the shower pan is gonna come up, and then I'll put another piece on top of the shower pan. But yeah,
Almost there.
You guys getting out of here for tonight?
Yeah.
Made a lot of progress though.
Yeah, a lot.
Like always. Also, something else I wanted to mention is that Brent's not over here right now because he's actually over in Florida helping Cletus with his Corvette. We decided not to go out there. We really wanted to go to MLZ's open house, but we have so much going on over here that we're just trying to get stuff done. We've been traveling so much already, but we're definitely gonna make it out next year for sure. I got a lot of messages asking if we were gonna be out there, but unfortunately we didn't go. Brent will be back tomorrow, but yeah, we're just gonna keep going from there.